Hi everyone, how are you today? I would like to do a tutorial with you. We are going to make some cute little shakers. I don't know if there is a video out there, or I'm sure I saw someone make them and I honestly can't tell you whom it was, but I want to make these quick little shakers, and you can use any kind of acetate. I'm going to be using dessert style acetate, you know, for cheesecakes, cakes. You'll see them in packaging when you go in to buy them, and they're wrapped around, keeps all of the yummy stuff inside. So I have some different sequence mixes here. I've got some dots. I've got some little clay bits, and then I'm going to be using these little clasps right there, like that. I have a million of them and I didn't know what to do with them, so this is what I'm going to do. So I have some cut aparts, okay, and I have cut some acetate, and I'm going to make little pockets. All right, so I'm going to clear this off and make a clean space and show you how I made my pockets. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I do have a piece of acetate here. And what I did was I cut some pieces that I thought would fit around my cut aparts. Okay, so you see this one here. Okay, and I have them, you know, like a box or a pocket. And we're going to go about it just like we do with those, okay? So we're gonna miter all of the corners. Okay, and you can see all of the corners are mitered, right? So first of all, I should tell you, you do not need a scoreboard for this, okay? You can use a cut apart, a card, you know, you decide, right? And you want to make sure you cut a piece that will give you clearance around all four sides, okay? And then you want to get your piece in there, and then you want to fold around and make your creases. Let's do one together. Okay, so this is going to be a challenging tutorial because we are working with clear product, okay? So I have a cut apart here. This is a Maggie Holmes digital collection. And so I'm going to generally give myself plenty of clearance on all four sides. You don't need all of the excess, okay? All right, center it the best you can. Get a bone folder, something, old credit card, a spoon, something that you can make a really good crease with, a fold, and then go ahead and start making your pockets. Okay. Do the best you can to keep that paper in the center, okay, while you're working with your folds. Okay. Doesn't matter which side you start on, really. Try not to fold the paper as well, because you want to make sure it fits. Okay. And now your sides. And there you go. Okay. And then you open it up and you do your mitered sides, your corners, just like with this one here, all 4 sides, okay? I'm going to do that to this one and I'll meet you back here in a moment. Okay, so I cut the corners, and it is best to work with a clear double-sided, really good, strong double-sided tape, okay? If you have red tape, whatever your preferred, this is the way to go. Glue gets too messy, wet glue. You need double-sided glue tape. And acid-free as as required for all paper crafting, okay? Okay, so take out the piece of paper that you're going to be using, your image, and then go ahead and go back over your folds really good. You want this burnished very well. Okay, and then we're going to apply the tape to the outside of all 4 sides. Okay, all 4 sides. Make sure that tape is on there really good. Okay, and the image goes back inside, facing away from the folds. Okay? One side we're going to leave open for the, like an envelope. Okay? We also want another piece of paper handy that we're going to be taping that to as well. I'm going to show you in a moment here, okay? Get those pieces out of the way. So I got my scrap piece handy here. Okay. Go ahead and let's take the tape off. Only to 3 sides. Leave the last one. That's going to be our closure after we put in our mix, okay? Get your scrap piece handy. It's up to you if you want it, double-sided printed. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure you've got plenty of room to cut around it, okay? And just place it down. Get your bone folder that you didn't lose or ran away. Okay, and now cut around that. I'll be back here in a moment. Okay, and do your best to cut around the image. Cut around, all of that there. And now we're going to be adding our sequence mix. So go ahead and get your mix together, and I probably a teaspoon. It's up to you how full you want your shaker. Okay, I got my cute little spoon here, and I'm going to grab some of these diamond dots, I think. All right, you're in here somewhere. There we go. Doesn't matter to me if it's got the shiny side, the dull side. It's up to you. You can fiddle around and get them all on the shinier side. Let's add some of these. Okay. And then this time around, I want to add some little happy face flower card clouds, something like that. Let's get a few of these going. And I want some of this pink. Let's see, that might be enough. I think I'm good with that. Okay, I'm gonna seal it up. Pop that in behind there. And close it up. And there we go. Okay, and now I'm going to get one of these. And my clamps. And let's see, let's see, do I want to do that this way? I might do that, this one this way. There we go. I don't know, I kind of like, I don't want to take away from the image, so there we go. And that's all I did. And it's going to, you know, help me use up a whole bunch of these. I have them in several different colors. All right, there's a quick way to make a shaker. And then I'm going to put a loop on there. And there we go. All right. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really quick, and it's a good way to use up some acetate scrap pieces. You can, you know, go pretty small, depending on how tiny you want to go. All right. Be safe, be kind, hugs. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you can, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. If you are already subscribing, thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.